So hello friends, myself Home and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Home. Today I will tell you the specifications of Micromax in 1. The specifications of Micromax in 1 are MediaTek Helio G85, 48MP rear camera, 16MP front camera, Android 10, 6.55 inches Full HD Plus display, and it will come in new X design. There are two storage variants of Micromax in 1, 4GB plus 64GB and 6GB plus 128GB. There are 4 color variants of Micromax in 1, blue color, black color, gold color and white color. This is the front side of Micromax in 1. This is the back side of Micromax in 1. The launch date of Micromax in 1 is on 3rd November 2020. In my opinion, the expected price of Micromax in 1 should be below 13,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.